Hi friends, welcome to the Paperwrld channel. Today we will review the summer box in the do-it-yourself phone case project together. This view always excites me a lot. If you are ready, let's begin. You know, this project also collaborates with Paperwrld and Hum's journal. Now let's closely examine the card. This is the design of the card. You can access the video by scanning here. Now we can start reviewing the products. I should say in advance that the products in the box are more multi-green is a combination of pink and yellow because we chose the base colors from these. These are the base colors I'm talking to you about. I'm going to show you closely now. The reason we chose yellow, pink and green as the base colors was because it reminded us of summer. I hope it's the same for you because this box has a lively energy. I wanted to show you closely in case you wanted to see the thickness of the papers. Neither too thin nor too thick, quite ideal for the base. As usual for thickness, I always want to start with the papers because they're indispensable for the cover. I wanted to start with this product because I love this product. I'm attracted to the fact that it contains both the papers, the labels, and the box. Now, I will show you closely. I think it's very nice to have different sizes of papers and products in it. If I show it closely, for example, these are stickers. These are more like postcards. These ones are very suitable for journaling. If we look at these, I love the print and the size. Actually, look at the cuteness of this. These are more like single strings. You can tie a string and use it as a bracket. These are our stickers. There are both thinner and thicker ones. I can say that it's a complete summer color. It makes me very happy to have this in it. You can place something in it, then decorate it. I think it's a pretty cool idea. This is another paper product we have. I really like the products in this series because the colors are very appealing to my eyes. I think I even like the rope detail. When we take out the papers, we realize that there are also tiny stickers included. Let's take a closer look at these. I think the colors are very suitable for a summer theme. I think they're very cute. This product, the reason I added it to the box was actually both the patterns and the colors. I really liked the prints. Closely. If we look, for example, let's look at this one. It's lively and totally has a summer vibe. I want to examine all of them individually, but I think this is my favorite. I can even hang it directly in my room like this. And there's also a simpler one at the end. We can also use the tones, if you noticed. It consists of pink, green and yellow tones, so it's very suitable for our box. I specifically chose this product because I had added its pink color to the previous spring box. The fact that it contained papers in different patterns attracted me. As soon as you open it, look at how sweet this is. Like I said, the colors are again. In this tone, it has more yellow colors. We can use these in the covers we'll make. It's great that the product contents are so diverse, it can make the covers we make more unique. I'm showing the quality of the print and the paper size up close. Like this. Now if you want, let's continue with the stickers. As in every box, of course, we've included butterflies in this box as well. I've arranged the products so you can see them more easily. They're actually separate and multiple butterflies. I think this is my favorite because I really like the brown tones. And if you've noticed, the color transitions are really sweet. You can use these any way you want. I haven't decided yet, but I think my favorite product in the summer box is this because I love these sticker books. They're really cute inside and contain dozens of stickers. It's like a book with a few stickers on each page. The designs are different and very cute. You can take them out and paste them directly because they're already cut, which makes things easy for us. And of course, the text stickers that I always include in each box. I think they complete the page. If we look at them closely, there are ones with gold patterns and some are plain different. I think having different fonts and varieties is very nice. It gives us different options. For instance, a text that catches my eye. Again, because it's ready, I can stick it directly. Let's take a look at these papers. Another favorite product of mine in the box is this. I've included this product in other boxes as well because I think it complements the phone case and I really enjoy using it. Both its colors and patterns always impress me. I chose this color specifically to suit the summer box. Its thickness is quite ideal. The smaller the products get, the more lovely they start to look to me. If I show you closely, I could say it's a mini booklet. It contains many different flowers, and there are two different papers. The first one I'd call normal paper, the other one is paper, which seems more transparent, and the variety of flowers is like this, on covers. Another product I wanted to use was this, the variety of papers, and I really like the writing patterns. If I were to show you closely, it's like this. Even the thick one, I think it will nicely complement our pages. And of course, my other essential tapes, I love using them on the covers because I really like it. I wanted to start particularly with this product because I had added the purple color of this product to the spring box. I love using them on covers, like having various labels together. So this connection is why I love it so much. I deliberately chose the color to match the pink base color. It's also my favorite, clearly speaking. If necessary, I can say that this is also my other favorite product. I really like these mini stamps, both the colors and the patterns. It's very eye-catching and very cute. I can show it more closely. I think it will be a very good one for our summer covers. They're going to decorate it like this, for example. Look at the sweetness of this. You can easily get it this way. I think this will go well, not only on our covers, but also on our journal pages and everything else. This is our other band option. I chose this one to leave a vintage effect on our page. Also, it contains butterflies in different colors. I like it very much. I think using these types of tapes is very enjoyable. You can easily use it by separating it this way. I think I like this one the most. We slowly move on to the final products in the box. Now, I believe this product is very elegant in its structure. Even this ribbon detail is quite pleasant. Look at the detail of the angle over there. These are textured papers, very similar to handmade papers. In terms of their structure, their thinness is this and their colors are like this. Especially this is very appropriate for the summer box. And this here is a thinner paper compared to the others. Could you check the elegance in this product? I always think lace details look quite pleasant. It contains 3 different colors in different patterns. Just look at the beauty of these. They are all very beautiful. These aesthetic ones are going to beautifully decorate the edge of our covers. And you can say that the structure is thin to medium. These were the products in the box. Which one is your favorite? Also, our next video will be about making a case of these products. Don't forget to watch it too. Until the next video, bye.